Thutha wa igongona ria kuruguria ungania wa thairi cia kuhura cabi mihang'o ya referendum kurugamio kwa ihinda, riu atongoria ngurani no mathiite nambere kuheana mirugamo yao igie riboti ya BBI niria ikoretwo ikiamburura mawoni ngurani gatagati ga atongoria na muingi. Kanju ya atongoria ndini ya giithiramu umuthi makiuga ni uhoro wa keha kuona atongoria makiambika uteti utari na kihariro wa BBI riria Kenya marathi na mbere guthinikanio ni murimo wa COVID-19 makienda uteti uyu urugamio na ihenya uta uria kwahoteka.
That if there was a single focus that threatens our nationhood, then it is first COVID-19 and thereafter enforcement and compliance with the constitution.
Makiaria na ndekia mohoro guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, atongoria maugite o matirona ugunio wothe wa gucenjia gatiba kwa ihinda riri kuna maundu maria mothe me gatiba-ini ya mwaka wa 2010 matire marahingio.
BBI proposes to change Article 97 to make it compulsory that determination of constituencies and wards should follow one man, one vote basis for the 360 constituencies. This will result in many constituencies being eliminated, mostly in sparsely populated areas. This will result in less development funds, CDF and ward funds to these areas, to already marginalized areas.
Muikariri gite wa Kanju ya Supkem Hassan Olenado ningine agithitie kene mamwe ma mendekithia maria mari riboti-ini ino ta kwandandurwo gwa thirikari, akiuga mamwe ma mendekithia maya mahota kwerekeria bururi handu hatari hega. Maya mokite riria atongoria icigo ngurani cia bururi mathire na mbere kuhurira riboti ino ya BBI ndebe, aingi makiuga ni gukana uguni munene kuri muingi wa bururi.
80-90% of the BBI report is good, and we are asking the two principles that once they deal with the issue of amendments, while they deal with the issue of consensus, they should allow the Kenyans to go ahead and have this conversation and start the process of collecting the signatures so that the process goes ahead.
BBI ndi itatusaidia tusimwage damu tena. Jamani, wacheni to support BBI.
Joining that team of those who are saying the BBI is the way to go for Kenya at this point. If there is 1% that is not perfect, we can perfect it.
Merine thiete na mbere gwakiririo riri kamiti rira atongoria mihang'o ya kurutithia wira riboti ino ya BBI, maugite mugithi wa BBI ni ureketie gukura na gutire gucoka na thutha riria Kenya metereire kwanirwo gwa tariki iria mihang'o ya kungania thairi milioni 1 irikahuthika ta kiambiriria gia thabari ya referendum ikonganio.